Hello dears, welcome to Android Task-Based Learning with Java inside Android Studio 4.0. In this session or in this task, deal with the skill means edit text, button, text view and core Java logic we are going to perform. So task to do is write a sentence inside the edit text, click on button to calculate. It will show the counting message inside the text view. What we have to count, it is number of vowels, consonants, number of digits, number of spaces and number of words. These five things calculation we have to do inside the core logic of Java. So keyboard should be hide if button will be clicked. So exit task to do or task to perform inside the what exit output should be, we checked it. Likewise, I have just write 3 apples and just write 5 oranges. And if you press on calculate, it will display the message of vowels, consonants, digits, spaces and words. So this should be the final output. So you have to perform this task. I think it is easy, but it's a total depends upon core logic of your Java. So let's start. Pause the video and do the coding, implement it, play after the completion of this task. So I think you have completed your task. So let's see the solution for that. Upgrade your Android Studio to 4.0. We are using view binding to replace the find view by IDs. And let's start. Android TBL means task based learning with Java inside Android Studio 4.0. So take new project with empty activity and inside the build.gradle file it is OTS means one time step. So write view binding enabled equals to true and make sure your internet connection will be on. After that, design your screen with one edit text, one button and one text view. It is very easy. So and do the coding for button listener with core Java logic to find these all these things, vowels, consonants, digits, spaces and words. So let's see and try this one. So go to your Android Studio and go to new project with empty activity, click on next and write whatever the name you want to type. Likewise, I want to type underscore 8 underscore counting and this is language is Java. Click on finish. All the task is ready. Just first I go to perform my view binding things. So just I over here and I am writing likewise view binding enable equals to true. Okay, make sure your internet connection is on. Click on sync now. So by this line, after the completion of this Gradle process, so we don't need to write find view by ID for all the components. So it is very useful thing. So I suggest that you also use this one. After that, if the name is activity underscore main.xml, then activity main binding is automatically generated class. So just make one variable for that, initialize that one, binding equals to activity main binding dot inflate get layout inflator. Okay, do the semicolon and replace this line of r dot layout dot inside that binding dot get root, binding dot get root. Okay, so inside our project all the capabilities here is here for view binding. So just I do certain coding inside the designing screen. 20 dp of padding and I write edit text. First give the ID for that @ +id edt underscore sentence. Okay, then width will be I want to keep it match parent height is wrap content, text size will be 30 sp, and currently I don't want to type anything over here, so just I type int or inside the replaces by the text. So text size is ready. Text color we need to set with black as 000. Just I delete this bottom to bottom of, and margin top I want to set margin top of 10 dp. Okay. You can keep the line 2 lines if you want to set for much more sentence, then you can keep by this way also. So just I type one more button for that. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, give the id at the plus id, then btn underscore calculate. Okay, so first I close this one, and left to left off, top to bottom off, and all the things I just copy over here, but there is no top to top off, it is top to bottom off. Whatever the edit text we need to keep in the top to bottom off. And also I type text size 30 sp. I want to keep the text with white color and background will be black. So, and if the text calculate. Okay, so all the things are ready with this one. Just I split the screen right now and see this one. Total area of screen you can see on the right side, and last text view is remaining. Text view width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, give the id tv underscore, okay, at the rate plus id tv underscore result, and just first close this tag, and text size, text color, and all those things just like copy and paste it. So text color will be, right now it is black, there is no background for that, and inside the calculate just we write whatever the result is will be shown over here. So top to bottom of button, very easy. Okay, so see this one. So top to bottom of button, all the things are ready with this one. So our screen designing step number 1 is over. So move to main activity.java to write the code for the view binding. Okay, already written that, and move for much more coding. So first I maintain sentence equals to double quote, initialize the variable of string whatever the written values, and spaces for vowels, consonants, then digits and words. So it's a good practical, I think. So I think you will love this one, and it is core Java. So first I want to make one method to hide the keyboard. So public static void hide soft keyboard, and with the activity, okay, activity as in parameter, and write only we need to write 2 lines. So input method manager, okay, equals to, we need to typecast with this one. So input method manager, and just we need to type activity.get service, get system service, and inside that activity, okay, dot input method service, press semicolon, and after that just write input method manager dot hide soft input from window, and inside that activity dot get current focus is there, get current focus dot get window token will be there, and for the second parameter is 0. So very easy to write the code for hide soft keyboard. So you can see hide soft keyboard code is here. Only 2 lines you need to write. And after that, just we write one more method for calculation. So public void calculate underscore whatever the logic we want to write over here. So string and sentence will be here. Okay, so inside that first we write whatever our variables are there. So I copy this one, sentences, phrases, vowels and all those things, and initialize when the calculation first times again we do, at that time just initialize with 0. So it's for the new calculation. So vowels equals to 0, so press semicolon, digits equals to 0 and words equals to 0. So after that just type whatever the sentence we have, then sentence equals to 2 lowercase. So each and every times we just find all those things with inside this sentence for integer I equals to, it is core Java. So I equals to 0, I is less than whatever the sentence dot length is there, I plus plus. So inside that we need to write the code. Likewise character ch equals to whatever the sentence dot character at whatever at the index. So if the character is likewise a e I o u, then just write if character is a, then pipe sign means or, then if character is e, like just I copy this one, and if character is e, then again we paste it. Okay, if character is then I, again we paste this one. O, just write the code for O, or and just write code for U. Okay, then we will do for vowels plus plus. Okay, plus plus vowels. Pre-increment is here. Then just write else if code. Okay, and inside that just we write if whatever the thing we need to write, it is ampersand code. Likewise if ch, then first we write greater than or equals to a, and ch is less than or equals to z. So first one is for vowels, this one is for consonants. So consonants we just plus plus it, then it is very easy right now. Just I control C and control V if it is greater than 0 and less than 9. So greater than 0, code is there. Make sure it is not integer, so you need to write inside the single quote. So just plus plus digits, and just the last one for spaces. So if we write if it equals to one space, just you need to make, if it is with the space, then spaces will be increases. After that there is easy task. It's a words equals to spaces plus 1. So, okay, spaces plus 1. Okay, so I think all the calculation is finished. Just we need to write binding dot tv result dot set text, and inside that we are going to write whatever the thing we need to type. Okay, so I type /n, then vowels equals to plus, just write vowels. Okay, and plus double quote /n consonants equals to plus consonants plus double quote /n, and digits equals to whatever the digits value will be there, and plus double quote slash n and spaces equals to what are the number of spaces will be there, and plus double quote slash n, just the last thing words. So easy thing. So already we have typed these 5 things: vowels, consonants, digits, so spaces and words. So fine with this method, very easy method. You can see it's a core Java. Just it is gray means we didn't call this one. We will call it on the on listener of button. Set on click listener binding dot btn calculate dot set on click listener new space and control space. Okay, and inside this one just we write binding dot whatever the text will be there, binding dot edt sentence dot get text dot toString dot trim. Okay, dot is empty, then we will just first use the toast message toast dot main activity dot this, and just we write one line some enter some value. Okay, all the things are ready. So else, inside the else part we need to write the code. Likewise, first we write sentence equals to double quote. So initialize with the blank value when someone is pressing, so it will not be override. So string, okay, and just write sentence equals to binding dot edt sentence dot get text dot toString dot trim. Okay, and pass it to the calculate logic. What are the sentence we will need to pass. After that, if toast message is on or whatever the thing, we need to hide the keyboard. So main activity dot this. So I think all the things are ready. With this one you can see or check it out. This one is the code for the click listener, this one is calculation logic, and this is for the hide soft keyboard. So press shift F10. Let's see what happens with this one. So just I type I have for apples and 3 this. So this is the calculation thing. So I think it is ready. If you want to set with this one, then what you can do, likewise you can check it out. I then one space HAVE and 3 then APPLES. So it is for the small thing. What should be the result? 1 2 3 4 5. See this one, 5 vowels, 1 and HV, then double P is 4 and 5 and 6 consonants. There is 1 digit. So spaces is 1 2 and 3 and 4 words. So I think it's okay with this one. So we have done this practical easily for boost up the knowledge with Android task based learning with Java. So thanks for watching this task based learning with Java. To improve your core logic or core logic Java, edit text button and text with Android component dealing. So like it, share with your friends, subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.